Hello kids, welcome back to your maths world. Today we will learn how to subtract with borrowing through statements. As question is, there were 45 red and blue chairs in a class. If 29 chairs were red, how many blue chairs were there? Let's subtract and note through statements. Number of total chairs is equal to 45. Number of red chairs is equal to 29. Number of blue chairs is equal to what? So firstly, we will arrange these numbers in the column of tens and ones. Then put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend. Then subtract the digits of ones column first, which are 5 minus 9. अब यहाँ पर 9 तो 5 से greater है. ये 5 से तो subtract हो नहीं पाएगा. So we will borrow 1 10 from 4 tens. Then it will be 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now subtract 9 from 15. Count forward counting from 9 to 15 on your fingers. Let's start counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You will find your 6 fingers are opened. So write down 6 in ones column. Because 5 ones ने 4 tens से 1 10 borrow किया था, तो tens column के 4 tens ने जब 1 10 दिया, तो tens column में कितने tens बचेंगे? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 tens बचेंगे. तो हम 4 tens को कट करके वहां पर 3 tens write कर देंगे. Then subtract the digits of tens column, which are 3 minus 2. We get 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So write down 1 in tens column. Thus 45 minus 29 is equal to 16. And number of blue chairs are 16. Let's take one more example. In a school, 94 students were going on a trip. 56 students sat in a bus. How many students still need transport? Let's subtract and note. Number of students going on a trip is equal to 94. Number of students sat in a bus is equal to 56. Number of students still need transport is equal to what? Firstly, we'll arrange these numbers in the column of ones and tens. Put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend 56. Then subtract the digits of ones column first, which are 4 minus 6. अब यहाँ पर 6 तो 4 से greater है. ये तो subtract हो नहीं पाएगा. So we will borrow 1 10 from tens column. Then it will be 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Now subtract 6 from 14. Count forward counting from 6 to 14 on your fingers. Let's start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You will find your 8 fingers are opened. So write down 8 in ones column. Because 4 ones ने 9 tens से 1 10 borrow किया था. तो 9 tens ने जब 1 10 दे दिया, तो उसके पास कितने tens बचे? तो उसके पास tens column में कितने tens बचे? 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 8 tens बचे. तो हम 9 को कट करके वहां पर 8 tens write कर देंगे. Then subtract the digits of tens column. 8 minus 5. We get 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So write down 3 in tens column. Thus 94 minus 56 is equal to 38. आपको ये तो पता चल गया how to subtract 2-digit number from 2-digit numbers with borrowing through statements. Now let's know how to subtract 1-digit number from 2-digit number with borrowing. A newspaper seller had 23 newspapers. He sold 9 newspapers. How many newspapers were still left to sell? Let's subtract and note through statements. Number of newspapers newspaper seller had is equal to 23. Number of newspapers he sold is equal to 9. Number of newspapers left to sell were is equal to what? Firstly, we will arrange these numbers in the column of tens and ones. Then put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend 9. Then subtract the digits of ones column first, which are 3 minus 9. अब यहाँ पर 9 तो 3 से greater है, तो 9 तो 3 से subtract हो नहीं पाएगा, तो हम tens column से 110 borrow कर लेंगे. Then it will be 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. Now subtract 9 from 13. Count forward counting from 9 to 13. Let's count 10, 11, 12, 13. You will find your 4 fingers are opened. So write down 4 in ones column. अब 3 ones ने tens column से 110 borrow किया, तो उसके पास tens column में कितने tens बचेंगे? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 110 बचेंगे. तो हम 2 tens को कट करके वहाँ पे 110 राइट कर देंगे. अब tens column के डिजिट्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए और कोई डिजिट तो है नहीं, तो हम सेम उसी डिजिट 1 को as it is राइट कर देंगे. Thus we get 23 minus 9 is equal to 14. Means number of newspapers left to sell were 14. मतलब 14 newspapers बचे थे अभी सेल करने के लिए. I hope kids you may have understood the concept of how to subtract with borrowing through statements. Now it's your practice time. The question is, complete the page number 96 and 97 in your book. That's it for today kids. Till then, stay safe and secure by following some precautions. Wear mask, follow health and hygiene, and maintain social distance.